Today we're gonna show how to make basic steamed rice. So all you need is some rice and some salt. So 1 cup of rice. Put it in your pot. So you fill it up with water to get rid of all the starch. So mix it out and leave it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you see all the cloudy water, it's a starch. So we're gonna go now and rinse it off. Take your measuring cup and fill it up with 2 cups of water. So take your rice and put it on the highest speed to get the water to boil. So now the water is boiling. We can add a little bit of salt and cook it on a medium-low temperature until most of the water evaporates. Keep stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay, now that most of the water is evaporated and you can see the way your spoon goes, you take it off the heat. Cover it with a lid and leave it for rest for at least 10 minutes. So here we have the steamed rice, nicely decorated.